Hello, and welcome to our Read and Create Mini Early Literacy class. My name is Lisa, and I work at the Scott County Library. Today's theme is Protect the Earth, and we'll be talking about the great outdoors and taking care of nature so it's always clean and beautiful. I'll also be showing you how to make your own nature scavenger hunt scrapbook. You can pick up this Read and Create to-go kit at your local Scott County, Minnesota library while supplies last. Unable to stop in? Visit www.scottlib.org/summer to download PDF instructions for any of our Read and Create activities. Our early literacy practice of the week is Talk Together. Encourage vocabulary in your child by using some rare, unusual words when you talk to them. Instead of a green leaf, maybe it's aqua with smooth edges and veins and a stem. Is it shaped like an oval, a hand, or a needle? Today's song is Pop Goes the Berry, to the tune of Pop Goes the Weasel. And you're going to be crouched down like you're picking some berries. And then at the end, we're going to go pop, and you're going to jump up. Are you ready to crouch down and pick some berries? We're going to start with some raspberries. All around the raspberry bush, I picked some juicy berries. Bring them home and wash them off. Are you ready? Pop goes the berries. Let's try some strawberries next. All around the strawberry bush, I picked some juicy berries. Bring them home and wash them off. Pop goes the berries. Our story today is Thank You, Earth, written and illustrated by April Pulley Sayer and read with permission from HarperCollins Publishers. Thank You, Earth, a love letter to our planet. Dear Earth, thank you for water and those that float, for slippery seaweed and stone. Thank you for mountains and minerals that strengthen bills and bone. Thank you for air, even fishy whale breath. Be you! Thank you for colors and coastlines and beaches. Thank you for tiny and towering, for trees and vines that reach. Thank you for curves and prickles and parallels, for patterns, all shapes that repeat. Thank you for leaves and stems and buds, for plant parts we can eat. Thank you for sounds and storms and seasons, for struggles and pale in-betweens. Thank you for rays and radials and overlapping greens. Thank you for jumbles, ingredients for soil, and bright new growth in spring. Thank you for those that crawl, yes, all, even those that sting. Thank you for sunsets, for sky room for birds, for edges eyes can roam. Thank you for beginnings, for endings, for lifetimes. Thank you for being our home. The end. Today's rhyme is slowly, slowly. It's a great way to teach even really young kids about the difference between slow and quick. We're going to have a slow snail creeping along, and we're going to have a quick little mouse running quickly. So I'll be demonstrating this on my arm, but obviously you can demonstrate it on your child's arm, ending with a little tickle under the arm. So here's our garden rail, and here's our snail. Slowly, slowly, very slowly creeps the garden snail. Slowly, slowly, very slowly up the garden rail. Now ready for our quick mouse? Quickly, quickly, very quickly runs the little mouse. Quickly, quickly, very quickly into its little house. Good job! Let's try it one more time. We're going to start with our slow garden snail, remember? Slowly, slowly, very slowly creeps the garden snail. Slowly, slowly, very slowly up the garden rail. Quickly, quickly, very quickly runs the little mouse. Quickly, quickly, very quickly into its little house. Good job. Today we're going to make a nature scavenger hunt scrapbook. If you picked up a kit at the library, you'll have some of these things already. A cover, the inside pages with some ideas about things to look for, a rubber band, and a pencil. I went for a walk yesterday and I found some cool things already. I found a stick to use to make my book, and I found a leaf, and I found some flowers that I put into a book so they would be nice and flat and dry and ready to go into my scrapbook. Things you'll need at home are a crayon, a paper punch, depending on how you decide to put your book together, and some tape. If you want extra pages for your scrapbook, then you just need to cut some pages that are 6 inches by 8.5 inches. Sorry, 6 inches by 11 inches. But let's get started. There's 2 ways to make your scrapbook. You can do it really simply and put it together like this. Put the cover on, fold it to the middle page, and put a rubber band around the center of it. And that's a really simple, easy book. If you want something a little bit fancier, you can punch a couple holes in the binding, not too far away from the edge. And you're going to take your stick, and a grown-up might need to help with this. Put your rubber band through from the back. Put one end of your stick in it, and then put the other end of the rubber band through from the back in the bottom hole and put it around your stick. And there you go. You have a book. That's another really simple binding, but a little bit more nature-y. And then go ahead and do whatever you would like. Put your name on, color, find some things in nature and put them in your scrapbook. Like I said, I found my flowers. So I'm going to tape them here. Some of my flowers' petals fell off, but I can just tape them in anyway because I think they might make a pretty pattern. So there's my yellow page. I'm going to show you another page where you make a leaf imprint picture. So I'm going to take my leaf and I'm going to tape it to the back of the page. And then I'm going to turn to the front of the page and take my peeled crayon and just color over. And the design of that leaf comes right through. It's kind of amazing. Even the hole, or maybe a caterpillar ate through my leaf a little bit, shows up. So there's all sorts of things you can do in your book. Like I said, if you want to add some blank pages, you can make up your own ideas. And you can find all other sorts of things in here. Draw things or tape it in your book, either one. Thanks and have a great time.